We're replacing the heater AC blower fan today, and to get that process moving along here, what we did is we took out the glove box. On the side here, there's little push-in tabs on both sides that can come off the side here, and you can pop the glove box open. And then there's some hinges down here. Basically, the glove box has alternating polarities on the locking mechanism, so you just remove the glove box by popping each one of those off individually, and then from there, what you can do is you can pull the side piece off here, and at that point, you'd want to get the carpeting pulled back, and I had to pull some insulation off to be able to get back into the motor area. From there, you can get this shield off the bottom, and the screws that come out of here, here, and here are really easy to get out. But the one that's very difficult is way in the back there, because you have to, get way back up here, and you just have to feel it. You got to pull out the insulation back there to get some more small amount of room back there. But once you can get this particular bolt out of here, actually it's right there, you will be able to get this whole shield off. On the bottom of the shield, you'll be pulling this guy off to make a little bit more room to maneuver. And to get that really difficult bolt out of the back, I went over and bought this little swivel 8mm socket kit, and I even got like a bendable little shaft that would hook onto a screwdriver to give me extra room to get in there. That seemed to work pretty well. After that point, you can come in here, and this is the new motor, but there's basically on the bottom of the motor, you get 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. Those come out very easily, so you can pull the old fan out of where it was resting inside this plastic cavity, and down here on the bottom, there's a little piece in here that it spins counterclockwise and clockwise, and it goes back and forth. When you put this fan back together, you want to put that so it's going in the clockwise direction or over to the right side of the car, passenger side. And then this little motor guy right here will go into the bottom of that, and that will direct airflow. And with the factory default, that's the way that the software wants to see that. But I think that's a majority of the repair. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back in reverse order and put all the pieces back together and call it a day. So thanks. One thing to note on the taking off the first shield is right here in the front, that's where the power cord goes through. And so to the left side of the shield, that's where the bolt hole in the far back is located. So when you're reaching for your insulation stuff, if you're going over here on the right side and trying to get a lot of insulation off that side, it's not really required. It's just over here, more on the left side, and it's really close to this other bolt hole that's easy to get to. So, you're just going about 6 inches to the next bolt. So keep that in mind when you're trying to find that bolt. I think it will make your repair that much easier.